My video guide will help you to remove the browser notifications and really intrusive advertisements coming from the website Feelmyfile.info. Feelmyfile.info is a deceptive website that may attack Google Chrome and other popular browsers. The website Feelmyfile.info tries to make people click on the special Allow button integrated into it. But to click on the Allow button is obviously a serious mistake. To make sure that people click on this button, the pop-up tries to deceive them with a lot of faulty messages. For instance, here it says that you need to click on Allow in order to confirm that you are not a robot. But once again, doing that is obviously a very serious mistake, because this way your browser may be hijacked and you may start receiving the greater multitude of advertisements displayed in the right bottom part of your computer screen in the form of web push notifications. And if you have clicked on that Allow button, you should definitely fix these issues. Access the menu of the browser, go to Settings, choose Privacy and Security. Then you need to click on Site Settings, and in the Permissions area, click on Notifications. Pay attention to the sites that are allowed to send notifications. So if you find this Feelmyfile.info site, you should remove it from this list. And of course, you may remove other malicious websites that are causing such multiple ads on the screen. So basically, this is the manual way to fix your browser and remove these multiple advertisements. Now, to make sure that your computer is free of any other threats, I strongly advise that you scan it with a Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get its fresh and latest version on the website combocleaner.com. So download the software, install the application, and start investigating your device. Combo Cleaner will help you in detecting and deleting other threats from your computer. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner antivirus, you will need to select your preferred scan type. In fact, there are 3 scan types available. They are Quick Scan, Full System Scan, and Custom Scan. However, Quick Scan is only available in the trial version, whether premium version gives you full system scan and custom scan option. So you need to click on Start Scan button in order to let Combo Cleaner begin the research of your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some settings of Combo Cleaner. The good feature is called anti-ransomware. It will help you to select a special folder where you may store your important data that will be properly protected against all sorts of ransomware attack. You may also select scheduled scans in the premium version and have some other beneficial features. In general, Combo Cleaner will help you to protect your system against all sorts of malware, ransomware, adware, and other attacks. So after the scan is successfully completed, you will see the summary of threats. This will include the threats related to your browsers or some other more serious threat that may affect the system performance. Click on Remove All Threats button in order to get rid of all sorts of malware from your computer and make your Windows computer great again.